Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lawanda. If you are new here, thank you so much for stopping by, and for all my returning subbies, thank you so much for coming back again. I am not going to hold you guys long today. I just wanted to come up here with a follow-up video. So last week I posted a video about my visit to the Coach outlet store. I went to the Tampa Premium Outlets and was surprised to know that there was a Coach outlet store, but I visited that store and it was a wonderful experience, and I did leave out with a little treat. In full transparency, I have obviously already unboxed this. I got this from the outlet store, so it doesn't come wrapped and all of that stuff. But I have the little bag here, and I want to not only show you guys what I got, but I also want to show you what fits. So actually, I have already stuffed the bag with what fits, and I'll show you what's in here, sort of what's in my bag. I don't have a bag like this in my collection, so it definitely meets a need for me in my collection. And this was actually gifted to me. I told you guys on the last video that it was a Mother's Day gift for me. So I'm gonna go ahead and open the bag. And this is heavy. So guys, this is the bag, right? And if you saw the video, really it should come as no surprise, because I really didn't hide what I was getting, and so it should come as no surprise. But guys, this is the bag that I got. I got the Coach Mini Rowan in the, I believe this is called Maple, right? This bag is gorgeous, and I love the neutral color. You guys know I don't venture into colors at all. Like this outfit that I have on today, it's kind of like a mauve. It's probably the most colorful that I do. I mean, look at my surroundings. Like I'm a very neutral, I have a very neutral aesthetic, and this color is perfect. Not only for summer, it's definitely good for summer, but I thought about the fall, guys. When I picked this out, I thought about how beautiful and how it would transition so well into the fall, and that's my favorite season, and it's all cozy and all the things. So that's what really drew me to this bag, but I love it, guys. So if I come up close, you can see the bag has this little tag here, and the tag, let's see if I can get it right. I don't know if you're going to be able to see it. The tag says Coach. It says Coach there. And also what influenced me to get to this bag was the silver hardware. I am a silver hardware girl through and through. And so when I love a bag and it has silver hardware, it just adds to my infatuation of the bag. And so you see that has a silver hardware on the zipper. It's also silver hardware. I can go ahead and show you guys, and I absolutely love that. On the handle here, it is also silver hardware, and it says Coach. I don't know if I'm going to be able to zoom in on that. Let's see, let's see if I can zoom in here. Right? I'm not going to be able to do it, but it says Coach. The details of this I love. It says Coach right there. So you guys see that? Hold it. The handle also says Coach, if you can see that. This bag also came with a strap. And guys, this strap is absolutely amazing. It is an adjustable strap, right? It's adjustable, and it has several holes in it to adjust. I have it on the lowest one. And I love the way this hits on me. I'll do a mod shot where I can show you guys how it hits on me. And I'm tall, guys, I'm 5'10", and most crossbody bags that I buy, they're too short for me. And so I have a problem with that, but this strap was perfect. This really sold me on this bag, guys. And I love the silhouette, right? My favorite bag is the Speedy. I have more Speedy silhouette and more Speedies from Louis Vuitton than I have of any other bag. And so my favorite silhouette is this, and this is the first time that I've bought sort of a Speedy silhouette that's not a Speedy. But I already know that I love this shape. It's mini and it's small, but guys, it fits so much. I was actually shocked. So let me go ahead and show you what I have in this bag. I'm going to take it out, and then I'll show you everything that's on the inside. So as you can see, guys, I have this bag packed. All my things fit in there, and I am so easily able to zip it up. Let me just show you with all that stuff in there. This is how easily it zips right there. The zipper, very buttery. So I love that. Easily zips with all the things that I have in there. No buckling or nothing. This bag feels amazing. It feels so supple. I like the texture in the bag. If I can show you, see how that texture? I love that. This bag is such high quality and I absolutely love that. The texture all around is amazing, right? Okay, so let me open it back and I'm gonna go ahead and take out the things that I have in this bag. So I'm gonna start, let me see if I can hold it up like this, get kind of the best. You know what, let me come back. Let's do this. I'm gonna put it here and I'm gonna take things out. All right guys, so I'm always struggling with my angles, but let me go ahead and show you how I have this bag packed. I think I already showed you how I had it packed. I'm just gonna bring it back and go ahead and take everything out to show you what's in my bag. So I'm gonna start right here with my little pill case. You guys see this a lot. I just keep all my like medicines and things like that in there. And then if I come right here, I'm going to take out my hand sanitizer. I always carry that. And then I have my key pouch small. I have my key pouch, the original size key pouch. I am still using this from the concert. I'm still using the small one. And really, I keep my cards in here that I reach for the most, like my ID card, some of my credit cards that I reach for the most. And I also have my headphones in here. I don't like to have things loose in my bag, so I like some sort of organization. So I just threw my headphones in there just because I had space and they fit well in there. So that's what I have. And then guys, I am carrying one of my favorite. This is I got this for Christmas. This is the Victorine wallet. I have wanted this wallet for so long and I just really love it. And it's so functional that you can have only this wallet and no other ones. But I love this. So I am using this as my wallet. And here I just have some cards in here that I use less frequently, like AAA, my insurance card and things like that. Then I love the billfold in here so I can put cash. My cash is in there. And then guys, I have in this little side pocket right here. I love it because I can just put coins in there. So you see I have coins in there. And yeah, this is a great wallet. And so I'm just really pulling for it more because I just love it. And yeah, I just want to use it more. So no pocket on the back or anything, but it's just a great wallet and it fits great in here. And then guys, in here I have my Prada pouch. I have a few essentials in here. So if I open it, I have my bathroom spray. You guys know I always carry that. I have my Chanel cuticle oil in here. I have some hand lotion. I have my atomizer. It has Dior Riviera in here. I have a wipe in here. I have my YSL Candy Glaze. Been reaching for this a lot. I have some Calm Roll-On Stress Relief Oil. I'll take that with me. And then I have my Berry Dior Maximizer in the color Berry. Probably has been my #1 thing that I've been reaching for this spring. So that is in there. It's dirty quickly because of how light it is, but it's just so functional and I just love it. So I have that. And then guys, I have my phone in here. What was so shocking to me, guys, is the fact that I could fit my phone. Now, most of the time I have my phone in my hand. I don't carry it in my purse, I carry it in my hand. But I just wanted to see if it fit in here and then if I would have room for other stuff. And it absolutely does. Let me go ahead and repack the bag. I'm gonna put the phone back in here. I'm gonna put my wallet, the Victorine wallet. I'm going to put my Prada pouch back in there. The original key clay, I'm just going to stand it up right here on the side. Hand sanitizer, I'm going to stand that up right there. It slips in there. And then my little pill case, I'm just going to put that right there. And there we go. Beautiful, beautiful. Okay, so the inside is just wide open. It does have this little patch back here that says Coach and some other information. And then guys, it actually has a little card slot. It has a part for 2 card slots. So I could actually put cards there. And maybe if I didn't want to carry a wallet, I wouldn't have to. It has the cards slots there. It says the comparable value is $328. I got this bag for $159 at the outlet. Okay, y'all, and the other thing I wanted to show you, I was able to pull a couple of charms that I had, or accessories that I had on other Coach bags to put on here. And let me show you how I am going to accessorize this. So first, this little charm right here, this little C charm, this came off of another Coach bag that I had. So I was able to detach this charm, and I just put this charm right here. I just clipped it on. So this little chain strap right here, I got this off my mini Coach, I don't know, the navy blue Coach bag that I have. Guys, I am so bad with names. But let me show you, hold on. Yeah, so this is the little mini bag. Let me see if I still have the tag in here, where I put the little tag where I could see the name of this bag. I'll put it on the screen. It came with this chain, and so I took this chain off of here. And then, so what I'm able to do is I went through here, because this is kind of too long going like that. So I just sort of, let me bring it up closer. I'm just gonna go right through there. And what I'm gonna do, guys, is I'm going to clip this here, and I'm gonna take the chain, kind of take it and clip it here. Now I'm gonna pull this down. It's a little long, but I really do like the look of that. Just dresses the bag up ever so slightly, and I really do like that. And I can sort of play around and kind of get this a little tighter. Yeah, but I really like the look of that. It just dresses it up ever so slightly. Then, guys, what I did is I took this C charm here, and I'm gonna take one of these off. I'm just gonna take this little piece right here and put it right there. And now I'm gonna clip this back onto the bag, just like that. So then it has the little C on it, and then it comes around. Guys, I don't know, I think that's so cute. I'm not real big on chains and accessories and stuff, but guys, that is cute. And so that's pretty much all that I would do. I thought about getting one of those lemon charms, but I don't know, I'm not really into that, and I just didn't think the price was worth paying for that. But I do also have this black, I've had this for several months, just the apples, but they're just black, and I think black goes well with this bag, especially for like the fall. And I thought about, I could actually clip this onto here and kind of wear it like that. You know, that's cute. I don't know if it would be doing too much. When I tried it on the side of the bag, it's really too long for the side of the bag. Kind of hangs down like that, and that's not a good look. So if I wore this at all, I would definitely put it here and just hang it something like that if I were to do that. What do you guys think? I don't know. But yeah, it doesn't need it, because I think just with this chain itself, it just really makes the bag pop alone. But yeah, I could certainly put that on there as well. I don't know. Just trying to work with things that I have, but that with the little detail I think is super cute, y'all, right? All right, guys, let me see if I can get a couple of mod shots to show you what the bag looks like on me. All right, y'all, so this is what the bag looks like on me. Hopefully, I apologize about the lighting, but this is what the bag looks like. I really love it. It's just a great length on me. Just being so tall, it's a great length on me. And I just love it, guys. So yeah, this is what she looks like. If I come closer, guys, I just really love the detail right there. That is so nice. That just adds a nice touch to the whole bag and the whole situation, and I really do love it. yeah, guys, so that's what she looks like on me, and I cannot wait to use her all summer, all fall, all year long. This is an all year round bag with this color, and it's just so cute. Okay, y'all, so that is it. I hope you have enjoyed this video and my unboxing and, you know, sort of not review, but what fits into this bag. I'm really excited about this one, guys, and I'm excited to start wearing it. You know, I like to show you guys first, but yeah, this is a gorgeous bag, and I did see these. I may order them. I'll pop them up. I saw these little lemon zipper charms or something like that. It's really neat, but it's silver and it just is a little lemon and it goes here. I may add that to it just for a pop of just like a pop of summer. I may add that to it. It was really cute. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this review, guys. Have a happy, safe, and healthy week, and I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.